Here you can see the landing page of Goldie's Gym. Different kind of programs like sports yoga are shown here, and different kind of subscriptions like 3 month subscriptions, silver, 6 month subscriptions, gold are also shown here. This is a landing page, and then you switch to register. Whenever a new user comes in, he or she has to register himself or herself for using this app or using this product. So I am registering. I am giving my basic details, as you can see. Then I am selecting date of birth, and I am giving my personal details like gender, height, weight, and next. Then I can choose my interest, like if I am interested in sports or I am interested in yoga, I can click this button and go to next. And then whatever subscription I want to have, I can choose these two and then submit. And then you can see that registration success. It means the user is successfully registered. Okay. Then there comes the gym owner part. If I want to log in as a gym owner, or a gym owner logs in, then what we have to do is the gym owner is logging in. The gym owner is logged in now. You can see the gym owner summary page. The summary view, you can see the programs and the subscriptions which are already been added. Here already added. Then you can go to add program, where you can add a new program like Zumba if you want to add as a gym owner, and you have to give some description. Okay, I am copying this description from here. Then I am clicking the submit button, and let's see what happens. Yeah, Zumba program has been added in a summary view. Okay, now we are coming to edit programs, where we can edit any program description or image, and we can remove the program too. Like if we are removing this, let's get, see, it gets removed. It's already removed from the summary view. And now we are going to add subscriptions. We are providing the details here. Description, 12 months, and amount maybe 10,000. Then I'm submitting it. Then I'm going to the summary view again. Yeah, this has been added, this subscription. Then we can edit subscription too, like edit program, and remove it. It's removed. Now we are coming to schedule programs, which is the main part of our product. Whenever gym owner wants to schedule a program for a particular day and for a particular slot, he can suppose okay, let's see, 13th May I am adding some program. See, the program has been added here. So like this, the Gmodal can schedule a program for a particular slot and for a particular day. And then whenever the program gets added, the trainers will automatically get assigned to the program. Now we are giving, we are logging in as a user now. We are giving email and password. Yes, I am logged in. So here we can see the user profile, name, email ID, age, weight, height. Then we can see my programs, where whenever a user wants to book a program for a particular day or particular slot, he can or she can, like 3rd May. Let's take 12th May, and I want to book this program yoga in morning with capacity 25, where available seats are 21. I am booking this. See, it's already booked. It's showing like that, and the availability of seats have the capacity is 25 and the availability was 21 before, and now it has become 20. It means that one seat has got reduced after booking this slot. And you can see the my subscriptions here, where the user can see his or her subscription, whatever package he or she has subscribed for, like gold, diamond, anything, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. And then you can see follow users. You can follow anyone you want to. So yeah, that's all about our product goal listing. And you can get the recommendation also, but that's all about our goal listing.